If you're a busy person who rarely makes it to the gym but still wants to improve your core strength, posture, and even lose weight or achieve a six-pack, then planking is the perfect exercise for you. Planking is a simple yet versatile exercise that requires no additional equipment, just the floor, yourself, and a few minutes a day. In this video, we will explore the power of planking. So stick around and watch until the end. It's going to be interesting. Planks are an excellent exercise for targeting the abdominal muscles as they engage all the primary core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, and glutes. Strengthening these muscles is vital, as each plays a crucial role in overall body stability and function. A strong core contributes to better posture, reduces the likelihood of back pain, and supports the spine during daily activities. Additionally, improved core strength enhances balance, flexibility, and stability, which are essential for preventing falls and injuries. By consistently incorporating planks into your fitness routine, you can ensure that your core muscles are well developed, supporting not only your physical health but also enhancing your performance in various activities. Planks effectively strengthen your back muscles. One of the key benefits of planks is their ability to develop back muscles without the risk of injury, as they are a low-impact exercise. Regularly performing planks not only targets the lower back muscles but also engages the upper back, providing comprehensive support. Many cases of back pain stem from weak back muscles, making planks an excellent solution for alleviating discomfort. By consistently incorporating planks into your routine, you can significantly reduce back pain while simultaneously strengthening your back muscles. This exercise ensures that your upper and lower back are well supported, leading to better overall stability and posture. The plank's ability to build a strong back without causing trauma makes it an ideal exercise for anyone looking to improve their back health and prevent future injuries. Good posture aligns your back and spine properly, helping to prevent back pain and also enhances your appearance, making you look healthier and more confident. If you want to look fit and present yourself well, posture is crucial, and the plank is a great way to achieve it. Regularly doing planks can significantly improve your posture, with noticeable changes in about a month. By strengthening the core, upper back, neck, and shoulder muscles, all of which are essential for good posture. Additionally, planking builds muscle without stressing your spine or hips, making it a safe and effective exercise for posture improvement. Planks boost metabolism by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which increases the number of calories burned even after the workout. This full-body exercise helps build muscle mass, and as muscle burns more calories than fat, your metabolism naturally speeds up. By incorporating planks into your routine, you can improve your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. If you want to boost your metabolism with planks, it's essential to focus on your diet as well. Start by eating small, regular meals, as your body relies on consistency for a stable metabolism. Make sure to consume enough calories. Skipping meals can slow your metabolism rather than speeding up fat loss. Additionally, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as proper hydration supports your metabolic processes. Planking targets multiple muscle groups, making it highly effective for enhancing overall fitness. The regular plank focuses on your back and core muscles, while variations like the side plank engage your glutes, hips, and abdominal muscles. Consistent planking tones the entire body, helping to reduce body fat and lower the risk of obesity-related health conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. By working out these key areas, planking contributes to full-body toning and significant fat loss, which in turn reduces the risk of obesity and its associated health concerns. Planking will expand and stretch all your posterior muscle groups, including your shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. It also stretching your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. By incorporating a side plank into your routine, you can also target your oblique muscles, enhancing your core stability. This offers additional benefits when you fully extend your toes, a crucial movement for supporting your body's weight effectively. planking can improve your mood, reduce stress, and positively affect your nervous system. By stretching muscle groups that typically hold stress and tension, planks help release endorphins, fostering a positive and happy mindset. Consistently incorporating planks into your routine not only calms the mind, but can also ease symptoms of anxiety and depression, making it a powerful tool for mental well-being. So, will you start plank tomorrow? And how long do you think you can hold a plank position? Share your answer in the comment below, and remember to leave us a thumb up and a subscribe if you like this video.